It's been about a year and a half since I've been able to do anything with the Boston Whaler. I've got a couple days off now. Let's see what we can get done. I want to have it done by March, at least around March. I want to be putting on an engine, maybe putting in lights, electronics, fittings, all that good stuff. You know what I'm talking about. That's my most anticipated part of this build. But before that, we need to give it a good clean. Still got some fairing to do, patch a couple holes. The drain plug I've left neglected for a while, just been sitting out in the rain. I hope the transom around that area is still good. After all that, we'll get into painting and gel coating. I still haven't decided yet. I'm leaning more towards gel coat, but I need to do a test first to see if I could actually get it to look like how I want. Enough yakking. Let's get to cleaning.
Your boom pineapple wine, your $1.50 all the time.
So what I've got here is a mixture of bleach and Dawn soap. Just because I'm beaming, we mix these together to make Chemical X. This is going to be used for the first round of cleaning to try get that mold and mildew off of the hull.
I could use a bit more pressure here, but I only need to cover the boat in soap before I start scrubbing.
Alright, time to get the scrubbing.
If you don't see me touch certain areas or clean certain areas, it's because it still has paint on it and it still needs to be sanded. In my mind, it's no use cleaning that area if I'm just gonna sand everything off anyway. Now that the little boat is somewhat clean, I would like to protect it from the elements. I still have spots with exposed fiberglass, exposed fairing compound. I would like to keep them away from the rain and the sun. I would also like to keep the drain plug from getting wet again. I'm almost ready to finish up that area and install the new drain tube. I bought a tent a while back. It's been sitting in storage. In the next video, we'll set it up and get the boat covered. Thanks for watching.